Yo, what's going on, guys? My name's Guns, and I'm going to show you how to use the two bots in my stream to be able to have sounds and a currency system. So go to streamlabs.com, make sure you guys hit sign up, use the email that your YouTube or Twitch account or whatever you stream on is connected to. So while this is loading, you're going to go down to Cloudbot on the left-hand side once this is loaded in. Once you hit Cloudbot, turn it on. Go down to caps protection, symbol and link and so forth. You can decide to turn these on if you want to change them. You can go on preferences, set the max amount of caps people can spam and the minimum amount. You can allow people like subscribers to only use caps or emojis or whatever you want. All up to you. I do recommend link protection and word protection just in case. Next, we got modules. These are the command mini games you can actually do. So I'd turn most of these on except for media share because you can't really watch that many videos on YouTube. You know, you could get copyrighted, but it's also very fun. Emote periods and emote combos, I'd turn these off or on depending on what you like. Kind of permits spamming, but we'll go to heist minigame. You can copy the stuff I have, or you can change it. Just know that this is the payout rate. So basically, if you win, you get 100% of the loot you found. You can change it to only 80% of the loot, so they can't win too much. This is also the chance to win. This is 50% chance of winning. You can change it to 35, 40, or whatever you want. Gamble mini game. This is a dice game. Here's the rigging odds for the dice. So if I roll a 99 to 100, 3 times multiplier, 2 times multiplier, you know, and so on. You can change these if you want. I kind of recommend them to stay these like this because, you know, they're pretty good. But here's the minimum amount and maximum amount you can switch to. Next, we have 8-ball. So 8-ball is pretty sweet. You can ask it questions. You can change these as you want. Emotes, it comes preset with emotes for Twitch, like Kappa and all that, but I'm not on Twitch, so I removed them all. If you want to do that, go ahead, because they don't really work good with YouTube. Next, we got slots. Slots is pretty sweet, self-explanatory. Slot machine, you can do max, minimum amount. To actually change the multipliers, you go here to combos, and you can switch them. Same with the emotes, you can switch to emotes. It's pretty sweet, fun game. Next, we got duel. This, you can't really change anything, just a minimum and maximum amount. You're just 1v1ing a person in chat, and that's that. So let's go to commands. To actually make a command, what you want to do is go to add command, use exclamation point for every command you make, and then for instance we can do add, and I have one for add, and you can put your gamer tag. So my GT is Massix, and that's that. You can reply in chat. There you go. Permissions will be for anybody, and then confirm. If you want to change the way the cooldown works, you can do it all in here. It's up to you. Normally I wouldn't put cooldowns for something like this, but you know, you can do anyone's. You can do exclamation point oof, and oof does it. You can have a 30-second cooldown so people can't be spamming oof. Timers, I got a few of them here just for example, and made a couple of them. What a timer is your bot will put out every 5 or 10 or 15 minutes saying go follow me, or my donation link is this, my social media accounts. The way you add a timer is the exact same way. No exclamation point. This is the name of the timer. We'll do time, response, whatever you want. Interval in seconds. So this is in minutes, not seconds, my bad. So you can go up by 10. Every 10 minutes is kind of fair, I think. And 5 lines. It's up to you what you want. So this means every time 5 people type in chat, if it's within 10 minutes or when 10 minutes is up, it will send this message that you put. That's that. Quotes are pretty funny. You can quote things that I've said or anyone said in chat by putting their name and something that they said. So you can put guns and then I'm dumb because, you know, whatever I said. Oops. And then you can put the game and add by you, the sub, and there you go. Subscriber. So the quote is guns, I'm dumb, by the sub, Cold War. There you go. Q, don't know about it. I don't know anything about Q, to be honest. I've never used it. Here's what matters. Loyalty is your currency system that earners can use through chat, so you guys can get money and points and whatever you want to call it. It will have a button that says add loyalty system. It'll look like this. In here, make sure it's enabled. You can name this whatever you want. It's for your own. Interval in minutes. So this is every 5 minutes, a live user in chat will earn 100 of my currency. and payout to active users who kind of just watch the channel will get 50. So these are going to be the top people who are typing in chat and doing the most. You can change this too for whoever subscribes earns 1,000 automatically, on member 5,000 automatically, and you know the rest is explanatory as well. Store, you can add things for people to buy with your loyalty system. You can add stream perks like playing with me on streams, adding me on stream, shout outs, you know, special days where it's just me and you streaming. Give you sound effects, like say you join the stream and you want a special song to play and it says welcome to the stream for you. Access code I don't know about, but the way you do this is you can put the item up, say it's a phone, right? Description, new phone, cost, let's just say it's a million or whatever. Quantity, you leave this at -1 if you want this item to be unlimitedly bought. Say I only want this as a one-time item, you take the negative away. But if you want it maxed so anyone can get it all the time, leave it at -1. You can put a cooldown and everything too. And that's store. Polls, you can add a poll. I have one for example here. So red versus blue, you get to pick what one you want. Just type in red and then make a command, remember !R for red, and then add. You have to have 2 of each for a poll, or 1 of each. So I have red, I have blue. Has to be 2 minimum. There you go. Excess betting, exact same thing, has to be 2 minimum. So this is, in this case, it's me versus somebody. Option number 1 is me. Option number 2 is the other person. And advanced, you can choose how much minimum you're allowed to bet against and how much maximum you're allowed to bet. Also, reward multiplier is 1. You probably might want to put 0 just in case. And then you'd want to hit use timer depending on how long you think the game is. Giveaways, the same way it works is you can add a giveaway. You can use your merch you've had linked to Streamlabs, or you can make a custom one. It's kind of just like the store. You can make the giveaway item phone for example. For duration, I normally set this to however long I'm streaming, which is about 10 hours. And then this will be new phone. Permission, everyone, and then go to advanced. Must be a follower to win, yes. Ticket cost, no money. Maximum tickets per person, yes. If you're a subscriber, normally an extra ticket. Non-subscriber, no. Then you just hit add. It's all up to you though. User management, add regulars. Don't really do this. I mean, if you trust somebody, add them. And importers, just in case you use another bot. Now we actually need to get into how to add this bot to your channel. So you see this link right here. Go ahead and copy it. Make sure this is turned on, by the way. Go to YouTube. Go to your dashboard, your YouTube studio. Once this is loaded, you'll have a settings symbol at the very bottom left. Click it, go to community, go to moderators, and then just paste the link in. Click Streamlabs, do it in approved users as well. And then hit save, and now your bot is to your channel. There's nothing you have to do anymore. You don't even need to have a computer for this. You can actually do this off of just your phone itself and have a bot in your chat while streaming off of, say, PlayStation or Xbox itself. You actually don't need a computer. The next bot I do have, and I'm going to show you through Streamlabs, is right here. It's the Streamlabs Chatbot for PC. You need a PC for this, so you're going to click download. Once it's downloaded, it'll pop up on your computer like this. You're going to open it. It'll look like this when it is open. I'm going to go ahead and click out of here. And this one doesn't even need to be open because it opened too for some reason. Here we go. So now we have a whole setting. Basically, all these commands and everything I've showed you are the exact same as the Cloudbot one. If you want me to go more into detail, comment for me to make another video on this. But I just want to show you the sound files. So if we go here and add a sound file, the way you add a sound file is you download a sound and you can put it in here. The site I use is called myinstance.com, and it's a soundboard. So you can click on any of these you want. You know, we got a creeper hiss. If you want to download a creeper hiss, so for what reason? Maybe use your Minecraft, that's cool. Download it, it'll go to your downloads, go back to your chatbot, name it whatever you want. we name it CR for creeper. Go to sound file, we'll pick one. Go to downloads, should be in your recent one. There we go. Creeper. And then automatically generate a command. You could do that. Here we go. We'll make this 1 minute. Optional response. You don't have to put anything, and then you just do submit. Now if we go here, we should have a command, and the command will be called !CR for creeper. And there you go. You can go to edit, and you can see the sound file for here for creeper is CR. You can go back to sound files and make sure CR is loud enough for people to hear by testing it as well. And there you go. That's it. That's all I have to show you. If you guys like this video and you found it helpful, make sure you like and subscribe. You don't have to if you don't want to, but it helps me out a lot. And I'm back on the YouTube and stream guide, baby. Today, when this video goes up, we're going to be streaming later Dying Light with Will, hopefully if he can. So don't quote me. If not, then I'll probably just play on stream with my little brother. But yeah, peace guys. Hope you guys have a great day.